I'm a big fan of prototyping a career before diving right into it, which is why when I receive emails from people who want to break into tech writing, I first try to help them evaluate if tech writing is the right career for them before bombarding them with all the resources. And I love responding to these emails, but I'm also realizing that the increasing number of such emails is making me the bottleneck in the evaluation process. So I created a worksheet that will empower you to self-evaluate if technical writing is the right career for you. The worksheet is designed to help you systematically think through the different aspects of a tech writing career. It starts with an assessment of your current career situation and helps you think through where you want to be in a few years. It includes an activity that involves going through the available technical writing jobs on job boards like Glassdoor and LinkedIn, and just take your time to go through the available job posts, see which parts of the job posts resonate with you and which make you feel stressed out or anxious. See which type of documentation jobs are you gravitating towards. Are you gravitating towards UI docs, developer docs, API docs? And what types of jobs are appealing to you? Are you looking for a co-located job, remote positions, freelancing positions? This is just an activity to help you get into the right mind frame and be able to visualize what life as a tech writer would look like for you. Then I included an activity that helps you think through your financial goals. Technical writing salaries differ based on location and experience. So before you make a jump from your current career into tech writing, it's a good idea to get a sense of what kind of salary you can expect and if that salary matches your expectations and requirements. So at this point, we have thought through our career, work-life balance, and financial goals. And now it's time to check if you have the skills to become a successful tech writer. So the first skill check we do is language proficiency, and I included some of my favorite resources for checking language proficiency. Take the time to go through these resources and answer the questions in these resources to get a sense of if you have the language proficiency to become a tech writer or if that is something that you need to work on. I also included some prompts that will help you think through different aspects of writing. And then we move on to technical proficiency. This section will help you get a sense of how comfortable you are learning new technology. I included an activity here for creating a GitHub account and creating your first issue. And while doing this activity, I want you to pay attention to how it makes you feel. Does it make you feel anxious or does it make you feel excited to create your own GitHub account? It will give you a very good sense of how comfortable are you learning new technology. Because as a tech writer, you don't have to be an expert in technology, but you have to be comfortable learning new technology. And then we move on to the final skill check, which is people skills. Do you like working by yourself or do you enjoy working in a collaborative environment? I will leave a link to the worksheet in the description box below. This worksheet is created in Notion. To use the worksheet, click Duplicate in the top right corner. This will copy an editable version of the worksheet to your Notion workspace. If you don't have a Notion account, you can sign up for one using the link in the worksheet. There are no right or wrong answers here, and you don't have to answer all the prompts either. Answer the prompts that are relevant to you and answer them honestly so that you can make an informed decision about whether tech writing is the right career for you. I really hope that this worksheet helps you decide if you want to pursue a tech writing career. And if the answer is yes, welcome to the field. And if not, I wish you all the best in your next adventure.